Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. My number's 208-250-8625. They call me Coach. If you call in, please ask for me. My number's, I gave you my number already. Let's take a look at this 2015 Fleetwood Discovery 37R. Let's go inside and take a look around. Okay, as we start in the back, big closet, lots of storage. Big king-size bed. There is an L-shaped couch in the living room. That's where this goes. That slide out turns into a L-shaped couch. Really nice for watching TV. Windows on both sides. King-size bed. Storage up above. Already equipped with a stacker, washer, and dryer. TV here, Sony. There's where all the gear goes for that. Big drawers right here. 6 more drawers on this side. Plenty of storage in this coach. Here's our privacy door. Privacy door right here. It's a little warm today in Oregon, folks. We're not used to it. Nice vanity up above. Little sink area. Plenty of room for all your products. Storage underneath. Three more drawers right here. More storage on this side. This coach is equipped with a central vac system. Going across the hall, nice shower with a seat. Storage over here and a nice little vanity. Another privacy door right here. Got some fuses. Right here you've got a little pantry. Across the hall we've got a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. Always like that. We've got an extension here, gives you a little more countertop, which is nice. Storage up above. Double sink. Solid surface countertop. 3 burner stainless steel stove with a dishwasher down below. We've got a microwave convection. Nice backsplash on this coach. Across the hall, we've got drawers up above here, cabinet space. Table that extends out. There are 2 more chairs underneath this coach. You've got storage back in there. Got a nice recliner here. Fireplace. Huge TV. This is that L-shaped couch I was telling you about. So this does slide out right here and makes into it more of the couch. So it comes out to about here. Okay, looks like it has a little recliner here on this side for watching TV, watching a movie. Okay, take a look at this floor. Beautiful floor in this coach. Little bit of carpet over here. Now moving into the cockpit. These are very plush seats. They've done a great job on this. Okay, you've got nice cockpit area here, backup camera, side cameras, cruise control, all the bells and whistles, nice fans going here. We got the air conditioner on right now, feels pretty darn good. We're going to go outside and take a look around at our storage in this coach. Alloy wheels. We have an awning that comes out over the entryway. Awning with a cap around it to protect it. Toppers on the slides. Outdoor entertainment area. 6 huge batteries right there for the house. Big slide tray. You can see the other 2 chairs down below. Okay. Another area here goes all the way through for storage. Pegboard for hanging your tools. So you move to the back, you have your DEF fluid right there. This gives you access in here if you need to get into the motor area. As we move around the back, we just got this coach in. There's our receiver and tow package, backup camera, ladder. There's an extension that hooks on here so you can use the ladder. This has a 380 Cummins diesel motor in this coach. Okay, we move back around. 2 chassis batteries. You can see that we have this coach plugged in right now. That's on a reel. There's your Dirt Devil central vac. Nice having that 50 amp cord on a reel. Here's your clean out area. Got an outdoor shower, hot and cold water. There's a filter back in there. Here's your storage areas again. This is a full body paint coach. It's beautiful. Big propane tank so you can be out there for a while. Big split mirrors up here, chrome mirrors, side camera here so when you put your signal on you can see down your blind spot. As we walk around the front again, this is a 37R Fleetwood Discovery 2015. I'm Coach. Give me a call, 208-250-8625. It's been a pleasure today. Have a great one. Thanks.